The 2013 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power tailgate, traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, heated rear seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.